Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install LED fog light on the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is the LED which I'm going to be using, and it has a built-in fan. Here is the bulb, and as you can see, it has a fan at the back. This is the normal one, and this one is the LED. So first thing first, we'll remove the cover. To remove the cover, I'm going to be using a screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver on the corner, then pull it slowly until it comes out. Then we will have to remove those 3 screws which is holding it. And then pull it forward and remove and disconnect it. To remove the bulb, you will have to turn it anti-clockwise and it should came right out. Then do the same with the LED. Turn it clockwise. Then reconnect it. And put everything back together. Don't forget the 3 screws. Then put the cover back in. This is gonna be it for this video. If you find it helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.